Residential, commercial, and carpet cleaning. Is that the best way to start out your business? Great question. We're going to talk about it today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, today's show is brought to us by House Call Pro, and this is a software that runs in the background of your business. And if you are just starting your business, I strongly encourage you to take a look at it. It will shave light years off the learning curve by helping you streamline all of your scheduling and your billing and all of the details about your customers and the invoicing and the one-click credit card processing. I know, it's really exciting. Check it out at housecallpro.com/Angela, and they have a deal for me and my friends. So if you're watching this show, you are one of my friends. housecallpro.com/Angela. All right, on to today's show. We have a brand new house cleaner that called in and asked this question.
Hey Angela, my wife and I just started our business cleaning houses, residential and commercial. I was just wondering, should we also offer carpet shampooing for residential, or is that just another can of worms to deal with?
Alrighty, first and foremost, I want to say congratulations on starting your new business. That makes me so excited for you. Okay, I just heard a couple of things and now I'm really scared. Residential cleaning, commercial cleaning, and carpet cleaning. Whoa! Which do you do? Now, the reason that I ask is this. If you're just starting your cleaning business, I want you to focus on only one of those. Now, at some point, your business will be huge. You'll be doing a great job. You will expand naturally, okay? That will be part of the growth of your business. But right now, there are a couple of things that I want you to be very keen on as you get started. You need all the help you can get as you're getting started in your business. And the help that you're going to get will come from the Google search engines. And so what we need you to do in the beginning is pick one. Pick one. If it's house cleaning or residential cleaning, pick residential cleaning. If it is commercial cleaning, pick commercial cleaning. And if it is carpet cleaning, pick carpet cleaning. All right, let's suppose for a second that you need brain surgery. So you find a doctor and he does brain surgery and he removes gallbladders and he removes bunions from your toes. And it's really cool because those are all parts of the same body. And so, yay, you can get 3 surgeries by the same guy. Whoa, wait a second. That's kind of confusing. Does he do brain surgery better or does he do gallbladder surgery better? And what's the thing with the bunions on the toes, right? That's completely unrelated. I want the specialist that does brain surgery, right? You don't want somebody messing with your brain whose focus is also on the bunions on the toes, okay? You get where I'm going with this. You want somebody who specializes in one thing. So if it's residential cleaning, focus on residential cleaning. Here's why. When the search engines go to recommend you, they're going to recommend the best user experience. And so everything on your website needs to say residential cleaning. Not commercial cleaning, not carpet cleaning, but residential cleaning. So that every time somebody pings residential cleaning in my area, the search engine is going to say, let's see, who am I going to send? Are they going to send the guy that does lots of things and has a scattered focus? Or are they going to send the best user experience? The answer is the best user experience. It's going to send the residential cleaning person that is the authority in the market, that has the ratings and reviews, that has the laser focus. So, which should you do? Does it muddy the waters? The answer is yes, it does. Is it impossible to do? No, it isn't. But I recommend that you build them separately. Build them separately as separate legs of your business, so that you have a commercial cleaning division that has its own website. It has its own set of keywords. It has its own best user experience. Over here, you have a carpet cleaning division. It has its own website. It has its own set of keywords. It has its own best user experience. So when you go to clean a residential home, if that is what you do, somewhere down the road, and I don't even suggest it's on your first greeting with the customer, somewhere down the road after they know, love, and trust you, and they have already had you come in the house and they're a regular recurring customer, you can drop this at one of your cleanings later on down the road. By the way, our company is expanding. We're opening up a carpet cleaning division. Do you want that information? So now you already have a customer that knows, likes, and trusts you, and you already have a regular customer. Then you can market to them a side service. But if you come in saying, oh, we clean residences and we clean commercial buildings, and we clean carpets. That's like the doctor that does the brain surgery, the gallbladder removal, and he removes the bunions from your toes. It's just too much, it's too weird, it's too diversified, and people are gonna go, whoa, what is that, right? So no, I don't recommend that at all starting out. Laser focus your marketing, laser focus the message that you're sharing with your customers and also the search engines. Because everything that you do, whether it's social media, whether it's your website, all of those things link back together. And you want the conversation to be crystal clear. And if you have two things that are going on, have two separate websites, have two separate sets of keywords, two sets of everything. That will keep everything focused and on task. Okay, I hope that helps a little bit. If it does, please pass it on to a friend. If we've earned your subscription, please subscribe. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.